Ito po ang DTF printer dito sa Pili sa Uyo. Nagamit po ito this week ng 3 araw. Printer head. Head clean. Nozzle test. Dito naman ang ground wire. ABR. Ink tank. Waste tank na last disposal po ay nung Sabado. In-use supplies. Nandito naman ang stocks at unused ink. DTF film. DTF consumables. Film. Powder. Cleaning solution. DTF ink cyan. Magenta. Yellow. DTF black. Daily output recording. Naka 92 meters naman na run last week. Printer daily checklist.